Hi, this is Chris Joseph, birding specialist here in Kibale National Park, and we are under ACUS, Avian Conservation Uganda Society Birding Club. So my bird of the week and my favorite one is the Western Nicator, because it's the beautiful bush-like and family Nicatidae. Then it has heavy hooked bill, 20 to 23 centimeters long, 32 to 67 grams. So wildlife photographers, bird watchers, adventure seekers, Kibale National Park, it will not disappoint you. It's found here in Western Uganda, and your visit will promise us unforgettable adventures with Uganda's wildlife. Thank you very much.